Hey guys, Steve from Poolworks here again, just with another demonstration video for you. This week we're going to have a look at your actual dashboard that you'll have set up for you when you log into NetSuite. So, just quickly let you see how we get to there. So we click in the login. We should have our username, password. You can remember me on the screen. Let's log in. And we'll come to our home page, which is our dashboard. So you can see here there's quite a number of boxes and fields all throughout the dashboard. We'll move across as well. So just to go through them quickly, we have a reminders section here. You can see here we've got 2 reminders to purchase orders to bill, and you can go straight to those purchase orders just by clicking on the hyperlink. So here we have our bill purchase orders. We've received these goods in, and we just need to enter in the invoices. So we can just click on both of those, submit, and it'll take us through the billing process on each of those purchase orders. To go back, we just click in our back button on the PC, and we come back to our home. The other way we can go back home, so I go back into that section, just hover over the home screen, press dashboard. Okay, more reminders there, bills to pay, clients to bill. There's 2 invoices overdue. So that keeps an eye on all our due dates and what needs to be processed to completion for our system to be beneficial. Okay, so we'll go through some of the portlets here. Top 5 items by sales. You can see there's no content there at the moment. We have got this month to date. So being that we're in Sandbox, we may not have done any sales in here. But let's go this year, and you can see here that we've got a graph. So sales by item summary gives you the code 10095, 4073.70 in sales. Now we can choose the layout of our graph. We can even go for a pie. So this is quite helpful for your top 5 items by sales. And the sections there are met accordingly. So we've got top 5 clients by sales. You can see there Mr. C. Eastwood, 4,089.97, and that's this year. Kieran Goal, Go Barry, LJ Hooker, and Jim Boomba. You can see there the menu there, or the legend is there for you. Again, you can change the graph sequence. Just going to change it to a pie, horizontal, and even by line. If you're wanting to change any of the setup here, we go up into the top right hand corner of your portlet, click on setup. We can have a snapshot client by sales. You can choose clients by sales orders, clients by total pipeline, comparative sales, and value forecast. So you can see quite a number of different reporting fields there that we can change our thing to. Date ranges, you can just select it onto one, or you can have the rolling drop down, which is what we prefer you do. Okay, you can go top 5, you can go top 10, 15, 25. Any changes that you make, you can save that and it'll change accordingly. Now if you're wanting to have let's say your top 5 by sales up the top there, you can see there, left click on your screen and we can drag it up, and let's go in between reminders and items by sale. Okay, over in the middle here we've got shortcuts. So you would have known in another video when we wanted to add in new favorites or new shortcuts, they will show up on your dashboard down here as well. So we have new clients this month. There's a total of 0 there that we've entered in. You can update and change any of the search criteria there. Got financial ratios, so current ratios, receivables turnover, inventory, quite a number there. If you're wanting to go and have a look at the actual report, just click on the hyperlink there. So let's say a return on assets. Show you there. Profit, bank balance, receivables. That gets you to the that equation there. At the top here, we've got our key performance indicators, total bank balance, cost of goods sold, equity, expenses, and so forth. Again, if we're wanting to look at the actual report on these ones, because these are reports, let's click on that figure there, and that'll take us to our income statement with our cost of goods sold. Okay, you can customize these fields if you need other things, but that will be in another demonstration video for you. So let's go back to our dashboard. We have a KPI meter, so we can change this and have a look at all these ones that we have here. So let's have a look at the inventory. Okay, don't have anything in there at the moment. Nothing in fixed assets. Let's go cost of goods sold. So you can see there, that figure is put into a meter. Having it in the negatives there, it's probably not a good thing. That's why you're coming over to the left into the red here. We want to see our arrow over in the greens. It's a quick meter look there. We've got comparative sales as well. This quarter versus the same last year. This year versus last year. This quarter versus the quarter before. And then you can see there's nothing in that as yet, as we haven't fulfilled those requirements in that section there. Come down here, monthly new business. We've got a moving average as well. We can have different views here as well. Okay, one other thing that we have in here on our dashboard at the bottom here is our settings. So we can personalize our dashboard, we can set preferences, go to the campaign subscription center, change email, change password, and update your security questions. Now, this is your home dashboard. You also have a dashboard for each of your tabs across the left. So as we normally say to you, just hover over and move around. If you actually click on the tab, that will set you up with a dashboard here. There's recent records for all your transactions. No portlet is set up yet for a custom search, but we can create that, and that will come up under a save search, which you can build a search requirement and build a search report, which we will go into down the track. You've also got your transaction links, so as you can see them when you hover over, bank, purchases, payables, sales, etc. You can have a static drop down here. So if you're not big and keen on hovering, you can go into here. So especially if you're doing one particular role and you're in this tab all the time, you can just click on the dashboard for this transactions tab and you can work from here. So plenty of options for you in regards to that. If I go back to the home dashboard, as I said, you can create extra portlets. You can create save searches to add in portlets on your dashboard. Here if we go into our setup. Actually, I will come over into here, personalize the dashboard. Here it is that you can have standard content that you want on there, report snapshots that have been set up, trend graphs, suite apps, and so forth. And depending on which save search you do create, it will go into one of these menu options, and it'll save into here, which you can, let's go clients. That's a new client this month. I've already got that. Comparative sales, new business. Let's have a look at what else we can put into here. Okay, so if we just click on that report snapshot, we're going to scroll down. We're going to place it at the bottom here. That would have gone. It's already in there. What else can we put in here? Just got to put it in the right section. There we go. Okay, so top 5 campaigns by activity. Top 5 campaigns by activity. There's nothing in here, so let's go put this year. I don't think we have any campaigns that we've set up into the system. No, as you can see there, no campaigns, but that's something else that we can put in. Alright, so just so you know, your main dashboard will be set up for you, and there are mandatory ones that are going to go into your dashboard, and then, as I said, just in that example there, you will have space to put other things in there as well. You can change the layout, you can change the way that you've got these on the right hand side. The layout here, you can have a side by side layout. Smaller ones on the left, long ones on the right. You can have the other way around where we have the longer ones on the left. Or we can go to our standard. Now, because I've been moving that around, I'm going to shift that over to this side. Bring that one back over to here. Let's go to comparative sales there. And there we go. So that's just a quick look at your dashboard there, and hopefully when that all comes on board for you, you'll have as much fun going through this and using it for your business, running it more effectively. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one.